Question number 14. Okay. An isolated object of negligible weight, which means what? The weight is equal to 0, is acted upon by two coplanar forces of same magnitude, which means what? Force is same. In which diagram is the object in equilibrium. Okay. Now, if you look at this here, there is one force acting here, there is one force acting here. Okay. These two forces are acting on equal and opposite. So, possibly this could be in equilibrium. Okay, because weight is not acting here, so both of them are acting here, so the forces will cancel. If you look at this point over here, about this central point, so this is acting here, this is acting here, it has some dimension, so there is a possibility that this could execute a torque over here. Now what about here? These two forces are acting on the same direction, this will result in movement. And what about here? So this force is acting here, this force is acting here, maybe this is acting at the center of mass, but this is acting here, right, with respect to center of mass. So there is a possibility that this can turn like this. This will also produce a torque over here. So therefore A is the right answer. All the other options are incorrect, which is not possible. Okay.